House Bill 7304. That's H7304. And it's in the General Assembly now in Rhode Island. And what it is it's increasing the time frame for landlords like me and you to increase our rent on month-to-month tenancies. Okay. Now, currently, if you have a month-to-month tenant, you can raise your rent with 30 days notice, right? So say it's February 27th, you can raise your rent for April 1st and tell the tenant, hey, this is your new rent price. This bill is trying to change that from 30 days to 90 days, 90, 3 months, an entire season. 62 and older folks that are elderly tenants get 60 days. That's the current law now. That would be changed to 120 days, 4 months for elderly tenants. And that's something that I do acquiesce on. I believe the elderly folks, a lot of them are on fixed income. Okay, they may live alone. They don't have the same access as a young, able-bodied person does to get out there, hustle up another job, bing, bang, boom. There's a lot more variables in their life. So with that, I believe that there's a compromise to be made. And landlords, as I talk about on my YouTube channel all the time, we are the last ones to get paid, folks, if at all. So you're the landlord. How many people are coming knocking on your door on a daily basis? The bank wants their mortgage. The city wants their taxes. The insurance companies want their premiums. The utility companies want their gas and electric monies. The property manager wants their cut. The maintenance vendors and handyman want their dough. Okay, the list goes on and on. And I'm not even talking about evictions. I'm not talking about lawsuits. I'm not talking about your accountant. I'm not talking about none of that. Just the regular daily expenses. We are the last ones to get paid, folks. So to add another hurdle, to delay the money that is rightfully mine and say, oh no, Mr. Landlord, Mrs. Landlord, you need to wait until June to get your money. That ain't right. Because you know what? My taxes have doubled in Woonsocket. Okay, my insurance premiums have doubled instantly. Okay, I need to be able to get that money in the door and out the door as quick as possible. If I cannot do that, then I cannot continue to invest in my properties, to buy more, to renovate. So delaying my time to 90 days, 120 days, it's just another wrench in an already difficult equation. The rents have gone up because expenses have gone up, people. Expenses have gone up. Landlords are not greedy fat cats made in the shade. We are really scraping the bottom of the barrel sometimes to make these payments and make sure that we don't lose our properties. Okay, so these prices going up for tenants are a direct correlation for prices going up for landlords. I can't stress that enough. We're not making record profits like insurance companies are right now, like John LaPointe was just talking about. We're treading water at best. And people that are buying rental properties now, God bless them. With those numbers and those rates, they need rents that are astronomical just to get across the finish line every month.